Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Taylor.
And I'm Jack.
And welcome back to Smokeshow Happy Hour, our favorite excuse to day drink. So today, guys, we have a part 2 to our earlier recipe, which was the Girl Scout Cookies Thin Mint Simper. Now, we had a comment right here asking us about doing the Samoa, because I know I mentioned it earlier. So we got in the lab, we started cooking up some ratios for you guys, and we have the Girl Scout Cookies Samoa Sipper for right now. It's going to be pretty good.
Super excited about this one because Samoas are my all-time favorite.
Oh, yeah.
And let this go to prove, when you guys ask us to make a drink, we will make it. So if you have any requests, drop them down below.
Let's get right into it.
So this is a super easy drink to make. We're going to use 1.5 ounces of our Caramel Vodka, and this is super easy to find and very cheap. We also have 1.5 ounces of Crème de Cacao, and then we have 1/2 ounce of heavy whipping cream and 1 ounce of Crème de Cacao or coconut cream. We have this like cocktail specific stuff, but you can use stuff out of a can. And just so that you're aware, these ratios make 2 sippers. So this can be one drink, but it's also, for us, we're going to use 2 small glasses and make 2 little sippers.
Exactly. So if you're looking for that one sipper recipe, I'm going to drop the exact ratios down in the comments or in the description for you guys right now. So Girl Scout cookies are my absolute favorite, but one reigns supreme above all else. It's the Samoas, the Coconut Delights, whatever you want to call them. I know there's had a bit of a name change recently.
Is that true?
Yeah, it has been.
I didn't know that.
I mean, growing up as a kid, everybody remembers them as the Samoas, but now they're just the Coconut Delights.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
So a reason why we're going to be using the dark Crème de Cacao is there's really no color in this drink other than that aspect right there. So to give it that Samoa kind of cookie look and effect, that's what we're going to use. Now, going into the garnish really quickly, we're going to use whipped cream right over top, drizzle it with some Hershey's chocolate syrup, and then we're going to sprinkle it with some toasted coconut snowflakes on top. So it'll look really beautiful, pretty close, and on the money to what an actual Coconut Delight Samoa cookie looks like.
Sweet.
So that coconut cream is thick. You might have to grab a bar spoon to help you guys scoop it all out and get it into your mixer.
Or just eyeball it, because it's basically like sugar with a little bit of coconut flavor. It's very delicious, so you really can't go wrong. All right, and then we're going to do some heavy cream here. Boom. All right, so once you have all of your ingredients in there, we're just going to cap it and shake it. All right, once you have that shaken up, it should be nice and combined. You can see how thick this drink is going to be. It's already coating this one glass.
It's going to make it really creamy and dessert-like too, so that's what you're looking for. If it's a super thin drink, it'd be missing something.
Yeah, you need that body to it. All right, and we're just going to pour this evenly between 2 glasses. Let's see how close I was here. Oh, not that close.
Dude.
All right, I was close, but not quite there. Dude, this kind of has the consistency of like an espresso martini. You see that froth on top?
Yeah, it does have a little bit of a nice thick layer from that foam.
All right, so what's next?
So we're going to grab our whipped cream, our toasted coconut snowflakes, and our chocolate syrup.
Snowflakes.
Snowflakes. Flakes, just regular flakes. Man,
what is this, winter time?
I can't get away from Christmas.
All right, I'll do a little bit of the coconut here. How much do you like your coconut flakes?
Oh, a lot.
Just a heavy little dose.
That looks beautiful.
Ooh. Nice.
So we're going to take some photos really quickly of one of these drinks, and then we're going to take the other one and just absolutely destroy it. We'll be right back.
Demolished.
I think the photos looked pretty good. I'm really excited to try this drink. No more words to say. Let's just get into it.
I'm excited. Cheers.
Cheers.
Dude, come on. Are you serious?
That is on the money. That is on the money.
That is crazy.
Honestly, the one thing that I would do is I would also drizzle some caramel sauce on top because I love caramel. I would like it all over this drink. So that's the only addition I have. It's perfect. It's there.
This is like spot on. The only thing I would say is I like the coconut flavor of the Samoas more. So I would even do more of the coconut cream because I'm getting a lot of caramel here.
That's true.
But I think that's up to personal preference.
See, that might be it.
Yeah.
So if you're like me and you want more caramel, drizzle the caramel sauce all in there. If you're like Jack and you want more coconut, put a lot more coconut cream in there. But this was from our commenter. I'm going to put that comment back up here right now. Gave us a beautiful recommendation from our Thin Mints video.
Thank you.
Absolutely, this was great. So if you guys decide to try and make one of these sippers or any of our other drinks on the channel, make sure to go tag us on Instagram, Facebook, or any of our social platforms, tag below. We do love seeing all of your recreations, even if it doesn't look as good as some of ours. But thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like, comment if you have any other recipe ideas that you want to see us try, and we'll see you guys next week.
Cheers.
Cheers.